Have investors finally found a reason to rally? U.S. stocks surged for a second straight session on Monday, with the Dow gaining more than 0.8%, the S&P 500 adding more than 0.6%, and the NASDAQ climbing 0.3%. Investors sought bargains after the NASDAQ and S&P 500 fell for 4 consecutive weeks. Sam Stovall, chief investment strategist at CF Research, says the optimism stems from last week's market action when the S&P 500 dipped below the 10% decline threshold. He notes that investors are likely anticipating a counter-trend rally in the near term, but the outcome of the Federal Reserve's policy meeting on Wednesday could determine whether the momentum continues. The Federal Reserve is widely expected to keep interest rates unchanged at the conclusion of its 2-day meeting. According to CME's Fed Watch tool, the central bank will also release new economic projections, offering a clearer view of how policymakers assess the potential impact of President Trump's policies, which have created uncertainty in an otherwise stable economic outlook. On the corporate front, Tesla shares stumbled nearly 5% after brokerage Mizuho lowered its price target on the EV maker's stock, which has already fallen more than 40% this year. Quantum computing stocks, including D-Wave Quantum and Quantum Corp, saw a surge as Nvidia kicked off its annual conference, where investors looked for fresh announcements to revive the struggling sector. Meanwhile, Intel shares jumped almost 7% following a Reuters report that incoming CEO Lipman is considering major changes to the company's chip manufacturing strategy and AI initiatives. So, was Monday's rally just a brief rebound, or is Wall Street gearing up for a longer-lasting recovery? All eyes are now on the Fed's next move.